Digifx Sound Effects Library is a well-respected European sound effects library with years of production experience that Sound Ideas is proud to have acquired. The Digifx collection offers 19 distinct collections of sounds with more than 24,000 sound effects in all available on 184 audio CDs, which can also be purchased by individual collection. And the full library is available on hard drive formatted for Mac or PC. The Digifx Sound Effects Library is versatile and flexible with a long list of topics to choose from. The distinct collections offered by Digifx include Megadisc, Power Pack, Click Shop, Surround Sound, Vintage, and FX Collection. And every file on the Digifx hard drive is embedded with keyword metadata for easy and accurate search and retrieval. The Digifx Sound Effects Library from Sound Ideas.